Hey everybody. So I thought I would take a moment here and share how I do YouTube videos for students during this coronavirus epidemic that's going on right now. I'm on my third week of making videos for my classes, and what you see in front of you are apps that I use pretty regularly. I'm a math teacher, that's why I have Calculate 84. It's a free app. Notability is how I take my notes. Schoology is my learning management system. That's what I use to share my files with the students, and I give them a single location to go to. It's fantastic. There is a web browser. Sometimes I'll go on the internet. YouTube itself, there's ways for you to upload files from your iPad with the YouTube app. And then iMovie I only use sometimes. Typically I use iMovie if I want to put 2 or 3 other videos together into one video, or maybe I make some major screw-ups and I don't want to redo the entire video and I want to edit those things out. That's when I would use iMovie. But I'm going to try and do this in one shot so I don't need iMovie at all. So let's look at what you need to be able to do first. The very first thing you got to do is be able to do what I'm doing right now, which is called screencast. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your settings, and you're going to open up settings, and inside your control center there is some choices, more controls. And one of those controls I've added, which is called screen recording. You want to add that as well. So screen recording, it allows me to basically screen whatever is going on the screen of the iPad at one moment. And the way you access that is the top right swipe down. I've added that red circle that's flashing right now to my iPad, and that allows me to record the screen as well as record audio. Now, if you don't want to record audio, you can press and hold and turn your microphone on or off. I have sometimes made entire videos and wanted the microphone on, and it's actually been turned off, and I've had to redo the entire video. So I would always check every time you start whether or not that microphone is on or off. So once it's clicked on, it will give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then after that it keeps recording. Now notice up on the top right there is a little red and white dot going on right now, flashing. That is showing that we're recording this video right now. When I am done with my video, I can just click that little button up on the top right, and it will actually ask, do I want to end my video? And I will say yes, and we will be done, and I will post it. So going back to my apps, I've finished my video, and I'm going to upload it. So I upload it to YouTube on this app. So on the app, you create a channel. You would have to do that. You can find some of their other YouTube videos as far as how to make that happen. But what's nice about the app is up on the top right, there's a little camera, it looks like. That is where I upload the file straight from my iPad to YouTube. I found that that's the easiest way to do it. It's easier for kids. YouTube does compression already, so kids are pretty comfortable using YouTube videos. So I feel like that's easier on their bandwidth. So YouTube videos is the way I go. Honestly, my videos are not that exciting. I don't plan on getting rich. So with that said, you can upload videos using that. Again, you can maybe go look on YouTube itself for how to make that happen. But to make this all come together, you could go to Safari, you could show things on Safari, you could go on Schoology itself and show them things on Schoology, or what I think is the best feature is this app called Notability. If you've not used Notability, it is a pay app. It's worth the money. What that allows you to do, it allows you to write and highlight on either white paper, or you can actually create PDFs. And with your PDFs, you can ink all over them. So what allows me to do, for example, let me go back to my Schoology. I actually supply in my folder the PDF, a blank note sheet of what I'll be doing for the day, and then I do a video lesson using this actual PDF, and I ink my way through it and talk my way through it, just like we're in class together. And so it gives the kids some guidance, supplies them with some added opportunities to sort of feel comfortable with what your lesson's going on. And that's it. And then I upload to YouTube, put my links all on Schoology, and I'm good to go. Hopefully that's helpful. I think it's been pretty successful so far. I've got pretty good attendance. The completion rate is pretty good. The only thing I didn't really emphasize was the quiz option as far as the homework concerned. You can do PDF homework where they can ink homework just like they ink the notes, and supply those through your learning management system like Schoology. There's quizzes, Kahoot, There is Ed Puzzle. There's a bunch of different things you can do as far as that's concerned. But I thought I would show you how to screencast and supply that to your kids because I think that's very helpful. And I've seen a lot of videos right now online from teachers where they have these makeshift whiteboards and easels and things like that. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that, but I think this is a nice clean look and I think the kids appreciate it. So hopefully that's helpful. Good luck, everybody.